Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how I use cash stuffing to stay on budget and reach my financial goals. If you're ready to do it with me and take control of your money, let's get to it. Okay, today we are diving into one of my favorite budgeting methods, and it's actually the easiest, to be honest, to keep up with: cash stuffing. If you're looking to take control of your finances, stay organized, and watch your savings grow, you're in the right place. I'll be walking you through how I put every dollar in here, and I believe this method can help me reach my financial goals faster. So it's time for you to grab those envelopes and do it with me. How about that? So let's get started. Okay. Honestly, I don't know if I'm going to be putting anything in here. We'll see, because I need to add an envelope. I need some glasses, so we're going to put a new one in there and get that started. But I'm going to have to exchange out some money because all I have are 20s, and I usually put 10 in each one per week. Oh, I need to write down what I got. So it's going to be for glasses. My insurance does not cover lenses, so it covers the actual appointment, but it doesn't cover that. Okay, so today is the 29th. I have no starting balance. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in there, and then I will come back to it later. But I wanted to go ahead and put it in there so I don't forget about it. Okay, so I think I'm going to go ahead and just change these out real quick. I'm going to find one with a bunch of 10s. And let's see. Okay, let's see how much is in here. We got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20. That's how much I have. Okay, so I'm just going to put this 5 back in here. And then I'm going to make sure. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 20, 40. Okay, so I'm going to put the 120 in here with the 5. And now I have enough to go in there separately. So let's start at the beginning. And I'm going to put 10 in each one. And then I'm going to fill this out. And then I just put it back in here. Okay, next. Car maintenance. That was house maintenance at the beginning. Take this out. Go ahead and put a 10 in. I have medical. Go ahead and put that back in there. So I know I said on the other video that I was going to do it every Friday, but I think I might move it to Wednesdays, because by the time I have the time to go get the money out of the bank. Okay, so we put this back in here. Okay, anyway, what was I saying? That I said that I was going to do it every Friday. But I'm gonna, change it to Wednesday, because, like I said, by the time I have the time to get around to the bank, I don't have the money until like Monday, and then I don't have the time to film until, like today. It happened last time too. So I think I might just make it Wednesdays. Do this every Wednesday. What do you guys think? Should I do it every Wednesday? Do you like seeing this kind of stuff? Because I don't want you guys to get bored and not watch my stuff. But I thought maybe doing this would help somebody learn maybe how to cash stuff. So I'm still just putting 10 in each one. I decided to take the money out because it's a little easier to put the cash in, because I like it to be in order, like 5, 10, 20, that kind of thing. So, okay, 129. I have 125 before I added 10, so now I have 135. Y'all, I don't have good handwriting, so don't judge me. Okay, we're on to a fence. I cannot wait to get a fence. Let my dog just run around. Right now I have to sit out there with her. I do sometimes when it's nice. I enjoy it, but not when it's cold. Okay, so 129. It's kind of just the same thing over and over again, unless I have a different amount, and then you just do it with that different amount the same way that I'm doing it. You just add 10 And then you just add it to your amount to get your total. Pretty easy for me. I'm hoping, y'all, that the way I'm showing you is easy enough to understand. Not that not that you guys can't understand what I'm doing. We're making good progress, guys. I know it's not much, but you got to start somewhere. I had this before last year, and what we did was we cleared it all out because we wanted to get a truck. So we used all this for a down payment, which is fine. When things come up like that, I think personally in our family, it's okay to do that because that's kind of what we're saving up for important things. So that was important to us because we needed a vehicle bad. So that's what we did. So I kind of started over, and then we got his Christmas bonus in. So we took most of that, or about half of it, and I put it back in here, and that's where we started with the 115. See, I started at 0, and then we put 115 in there to start with because of that, that bonus. So that helped us a lot. But you can start from 0. Start from 0, put $10 in. That's what I've been doing, and it's already adding up. So don't get discouraged, okay? Just keep going. If you have to start from 0, put it all in if you have to. You don't have to put $10. Put $1, $2, $5, whatever you can afford. It will add up, I promise. Okay, anyway, enough chatter chat. Let's go on. So now I'm on to taxes. Like the taxes you get at the beginning of the year, city, county, the whole 9 yards. I like to save up for that. So I did the same. I had 120 on this one. Not sure. I guess we didn't have enough to do 115 for all of it. So I need to change that. I actually put in 110. So I'm just going to make that a 0. Not doing a very good job, am I? Oh, well, I know what it says. So, because this is 110. So anyway, so ignore my nasty handwriting, but I put 120, I had 120, so I put in 10, and I ended up with 130. I don't know if I put the 10 in yet before my phone died, so let me check. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 10, 20, 25, 30. So I did put it in. Okay. So next is a new one. It is for my glasses. I need some glasses. So let's see what we have left because I want to put some in the envelope savings. Okay, so I have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. So let's bring over my envelope thing and see which ones are empty that I might be able to put something in. So let's see, I've already done 5. I've already done 10 and 40. How about we do 20? So 10, 20. Leave that right there for a second. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put 20 in here to start off. So bring this out. It is 129. So I'll go ahead and do that. Started with 0 plus 20 equals 20. So that's how much I have in there. And I like these little things because you can see at a glance how much you have in there without taking all of it out and having to count it. So that's finished for this week. Now I'm going to put 20 in. Let's find the 20. 8, 12, 16. Here's the 20. So we're going to put 20 in here. These are really, really tight. So, okay. And then we're going to fill in the 20. Y'all, this is so much fun. I'm a decorative planner, so I like to color. I like decorated things like this little thing right here. It just makes me want to do it because it's fun. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next week for another one of these, unless I'm sick, but hopefully I'm not. So anyway, have a good day or good night, depending on where you live, and I'll talk to you later.